What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how I've made just over $4,000 in 3 months with low content book publishing. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. And if you want to know exactly step by step how I got these results, well, that's all in the Printing Profits course. The link is down in the description below, and you can still get half off the course at the minute. So if you're interested, go and check that out. So, $4,000 within 3 months selling low content books. We're going to have a little breakdown. I'm going to show you some numbers, how much I've earned this month, how many books I now have, and all that good stuff. So let's head on over to my back office. I've recently been trying AK reports. This is kind of like an overlay. So as you can see here, I'm still on kdp.amazon.com. And this just kind of overlays on the website and pulls all your data through and shows it you all nicely. And I quite like this. But anyway, so this is from November the 29th. This is roughly when I started making sales. And as you can see, just over $4,000 earned passively in royalties. Now we're going to break this down a little bit. I'm going to show you my previous month, this month, because this is my best month to date, and I've actually made 2,000, I think, in royalties. So let's just do that. $2,780 in February alone. Now, this is mainly because I had 2 Valentine's Day notebooks that really took off and brought me in the bulk of my royalties for this month. Now at the minute I'm roughly averaging let's say $30 to $50 a day, which is pretty good. I'm happy with that. I now have over 800 books as well published on Amazon, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But let's break this down to the last 7 days so we can see how much I've earned. Let's do that. $234 in the last 7 days. Again, I'm really happy with this. Now remember, I did have those 2 Valentine's Day notebooks really take off, and then a few days after Valentine's Day the sales started to slowly drop off, but those books are still actually making me sales, which is pretty crazy as well. So $234 for the last 7 days, $48 yesterday, and $9 today. Now what's that in pounds? So let's go over to here for my England followers. Let's just do that again. Go to overview. So £178 in the last 7 days, £36 yesterday, and £6 today so far. It's fairly early in the morning. Now if we go back to the 90 days, we can see that's about £3,000 in royalties earned from low content books, as you can see just here. So let's go on over and check out to see how many books I actually have. Now a few of these are being published right this second. If we scroll down all the way to the bottom, we can see I now have around 840-ish books. Now I've kind of been slacking recently. There was a time where I was publishing 20 books a day, and now I've gone back down to 10, and I've started to miss a day here or there because I've got this consistently coming in now. But I want to carry on publishing. I don't want to get lazy. I want to start publishing again 20 books a day. So there's one thing I do actually want to say. Now I've been hearing this a lot recently about new people coming into this business and making variations of their books. So what do I mean? I mean they're making designs and then they're just changing out the back cover the colour to a different colour. So they're doing their design on a red, a yellow, a pink, a blue, a black. Do not do this. Now, you might look at my books and see that I have 840-ish, and literally every single one of those books is completely different. I don't just change the colour on the book. Now, there's many reasons why you don't want to do that. For one, Amazon doesn't really like that. Two, you're going to clog up the whole catalogue on Amazon, and you're going to give your customer way too many options when it comes to purchasing your book, and you're going to put them off. If you just have that one design on one book, you have a lot better chance of actually selling that. So if you're new and you're thinking about selling low content books, please don't just take your designs and whack them on multiple covers with slightly different variations. Do not do that. Anyway, so if you want to know how I got these results, I lay out absolutely everything in the Printing Profits course. As you can see, I do have an offer on at the minute where you can still get this half price. This offer is probably not going to last much longer. People are starting to get results with my course, which is what I wanted. So probably next month I will stop giving away the offer, and it will go back to £99.99. So if you're interested, come and get it half off while you can. And like I say here, this is the easiest way for newbies to create passive income, because you don't need any experience whatsoever. I provide some notebook interiors so you can start straight away. I show you how to do the covers for free. I talk about keyword research, which is really vital for selling your books. It's just a real good in-depth course. So what are people actually saying about my course? So this student is saying exactly 1 month ago, on the 27th of January, I had my very first sale, and today, the 27th of February morning, I reached in total 186 sales, and this is all from what they've learned from the course. This person, my other student, 27 units sold yesterday, including those 13 from a single buyer, 7 today, so they're getting some awesome results as well. This person sold my first book. Thanks, Paddy. Yesterday I had my best day so far with 7 sales, which is completely awesome. So people are getting results with the Printing Profits course. Now, what you can also do is come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. There will be a link down below as well, and you can just come through and see what people are saying about the course. Look, as you can see, I sold my first one. Feels great. Thanks, Paddy. Keep up the hard work. So a lot of good things. People are saying a lot of good things about the Printing Profits course. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.